Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be going over some 5 off 25 breakdowns. I have a total of 6 scenarios for you guys, and we also have a few new coupons to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Glitches can end at any time, and you want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature in store to make sure that the coupon attaches. And one more quick tip about couponing at Dollar General, you can only stack one manufacturer's coupon, whether that be a digital version or a paper version, with one DG store coupon. So as you can see here, there are 2 digital coupons pictured on the screen, and they are both for Craz-E products. But they are different because one is a manufacturer coupon and one is a DG store coupon. And how you can tell is by looking right down there at the bottom, right next to the expiration date, and you can see one says manufacturer, one says DG store. So these are older coupons. I'm just using this as an example because we will be stacking a DG store coupon with some manufacturer coupons. But if we still had these 2 coupons available, you could use both of these coupons on one Craz-E product. So now we're going to go over some new digital coupons. So first up, we received a new 3 off 1 for the Flintstones or 1 a day kids 60 count or larger. So this is working on the 70 count Flintstone gummies. They are priced at $6.95. So after this digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying just $3.95. Next up, we received 75 cents off of 1 4-ounce or larger bottle of Purell hand sanitizer. So the 8-ounce bottles are priced at $3. After this coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $2.25. Next up, we received 80 cents off of 6 of the Campbell's condensed soups. So these are priced at $1 each, so picking up 6 would put you at $6. After this digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $5.20 for 6. Next up, we received a buy 2, get 1 free on the Hershey's Kisses Valentine's Day Canes. So these are priced at $2 each, so after this digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $4 for 3. Next up, we have $1 off of 1 of the Finish Jet Dry Rinse-Aids. So these are priced at $4.50. After the $1 coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $3.50. And we also received $1.50 off of 1 of the Finish Quantum 22 count or Finish Max and 1 28 count. So the Quantum 22 count is priced at $6.50. After this $1.50 coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $5. So here's a few coupons that I couldn't get to attach to anything in the app. Now that doesn't mean that these won't work in store. A lot of the times when we get these coupons that don't just want to pull up and attach from home, you get in store and you scan the product and it works just fine. So we have 3 off 1 for the Thermacare heat wraps. We have buy 1 get 1 free on the American greeting cards, and we have 1 off 2 on the 2-ounce or smaller Purell hand sanitizers. So if my memory is serving me correctly, those smaller Purells are priced at $1.50 each. So picking up 2 would put you at $3 after this $1 coupon comes off. That'll leave you paying $2 for 2. So here's a couple more coupons that I couldn't get to work in the app for me, but we have $1.25 off of 1 9 Lives dry cat food. This is on the 3.47 pound bags. So those are priced at $3.75. After this coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $2.50. Then the one below it is $1.50 off of 2 for the 6-ounce pouches of Friskies cat treats. So I couldn't get that to pull up in the app either, but we can try to find that in store and scan it and see how much those are. So just a quick reminder, here is how I go about checking out on Saturday when I do my 5 off 25 deals. So I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items, then I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more before taxes. So if your store is still on the older systems, you can actually look on the keypad and you can scroll up and down and you can actually see what your subtotal is, or you can just simply ask the cashier. I know on these newer systems you can't tell, you can't see what coupons are coming off or anything, so just make sure that they tell you what your subtotal is and it's before taxes. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off, and I'll kind of have that number in the back of my head or written down in a notebook. And like I said, if you have the older system still in your store, you can actually watch the screen to see which coupons come off. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. So this first scenario that I have for you guys does include the Scott and Cottonelle Instant Savings Deal. So I just wanted to go over this with you guys really quickly in case you wanted to mix and match. So keep in mind that if you're adding in an instant savings deal to your 5 off 25, you must add that amount of instant savings to that $25 subtotal. Instant savings will come off first at the register, and your subtotal must still be $25 after the instant savings comes off in order for your 5 off $25 coupon to still work. So for example, like we're going to use in this next scenario, we have the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex deal. You'll instantly save $3 when you spend $15 on those products. So your subtotal before coupons must be at least $28. So for this first scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Scott bath tissues, the 12 pack, for $5. Two of the Cottonelle family packs, those are also a 12 pack, for $10. They are $5 each. One of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. One Crest toothpaste for $2. One Oral-B floss for $2.25. Three of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50. They are $1.50 each. One of the Bic 10 count razors for $3. One of the Captain Crunch All Berries for $1. Your subtotal will be $28.45. Your instant savings will come off first at the register, and your new subtotal will be $25.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you've got that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, 1 off 1 Cottonelle, 1 off 1 Cottonelle from the 117 Smart Source, or we also have that same coupon rebate available on the coupons.com app, 2 off 1 Tide, 2 off 1 Crest, 1 off 1 Oral-B floss, 3 off 3 Pantene, 2 off 1 Bic razors, and the 75 cents off of 1 Quaker cereal. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $7.70 for 10 items, or just 77 cents each, which is an awesome deal considering we're getting all of those paper products and all of the other things that we can also use in our households. So this next deal is a food deal, and we're going to be incorporating that Prego and Barilla deal that I told you guys about earlier in the week. So you want to pick up 2 of the Prego pasta sauce for $4. They are $2 each. 2 of the Barilla pastas. They are on sale. Buy 2 of the Prego sauces, get 2 of the Barilla pastas for free. So you don't need to add on any total for the pasta because they'll just ring up as a free item. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the family-sized goldfish for $7. They are $3.50 each. 1 of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 1.25 liters. They are $1. 1 of the Frito-Lay's dips for $2.50. 1 of the V8 juices for $2. 3 of the General Mills cereal. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6. And 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. Your subtotal will be $25.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here's your list of coupons, so you know, make sure you've got that 5 off 25, 75 cents off of 2 for the Prego sauces, 2 for 3 Goldfish, 2 off of 2 Pepsi and Lay's products, 1 off 1 V8 juice, 125 off 2 for the General Mills cereal, 75 cents off of 1 for the General Mills cereal, 2 off 1 for the Tide. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $10.70 for 13 items, or just 82 cents each. So next up, we kind of have a little household deal. You want to pick up 3 of the Palmolive soaps. They're on sale this week, 3 for $5. 1 of the Halls 30 count cough drops for $2. 2 of the Poise pads for $10. They are $5 each. 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. 1 of the Bic 10 count razors for $3. And 3 of the American greeting cards. They are $1 each, so picking up 3 would be $3. Your subtotal will be $25.95. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's that list of coupons. So you need to make sure you've got that 5 off 25, 3 of the 50 cents off 1 Palmolive dish soaps from the 117 Smart Source, 1 off 1 for the Hall's Cough Drops, 30 count, 5 off 2 for the Poise, 2 off 1 for the Tide, 2 off 1 for the Bic Razors, and 150 off of 3 for the American Greeting Cards. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.95 for 11 items, or just 72 cents each. But it gets a little bit better because on checkout 51, we have a rebate for $1 back on the Hall's product. So if you're not already signed up, definitely go and download the app and sign up and add this to your account. You'll get $1 back and your final price will be $6.95 for 11 items, or just 63 cents each. So for this next deal, we're going to incorporate the Bayer products. So you're going to pick up one of the Flintstone gummies, 70 count for $6.95, one of the Alka-Seltzer 20 count for $4.75, one of the Advil 20 counts for $4.25, one of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95, one of the Bic 10 count razors for $3, 3 of the American Greeting Cards for $3, and one of the Captain Crunch All Berries for $1. Your subtotal will be $25.90. And here are the coupons that you're going to want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here's your list of coupons. So you've got your 5 off 25, that 3 off 15 Bayer Products DG Store coupon, the 3 off 1 Flintstones, 2 off 1 Alka-Seltzer, 1 off 1 Advil, 2 off 1 Tide, 2 off 1 Bic Razors, 150 off of 3 American Greeting Cards, and 75 cents off of 1 Quaker cereal. So your subtotal will be just $5.65 for 9 items, or just 63 cents each. And that seems like an awesome deal to me, considering those Flintstone vitamins are $6.95 just by themselves. Alright guys, so last week I came up with a really good pet food scenario, and a lot of you guys were really happy about that. So this week I just came up with a little bit of an alternate way of doing it, just in case you weren't able to get your hands on some of those items and you still have those coupons available. So you want to pick up 2 of the Bella dog food 3-pound bags for $11.70, 1 of the Purina Beneful dog foods for $5.50, and 2 of the Purina cat chows. They are on sale this week, 2 for $10. Your subtotal will be $27.20. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, 2 of those $2.25 off of 1 Bella dog food, the $3.25 off 1 Purina Beneful dog food, and 2 of the $2 off 1 cat chow from the 12.6 Retail Me Not. So your subtotal after coupons will be $10.45. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $1 back for each bag of the cat chow, and $1.50 back on each bag of the Bella dog food. So your total rebate will be $5, and that will make your final price $5.45 for 5 items, or just $1.09 each. So if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I highly encourage you guys to go and do that after you watch this video. Ibotta does have a $20 welcome bonus, and if you sign up using my referral code, you'll become a part of my team and we can start earning rebates together. So all of that information is down in the description box below. I also have a how-to video on how to sign up and how to use Ibotta, and all of that information is in the description box. So for this next scenario, I wanted to do a low out-of-pocket deal. Now I know a lot of these coupons are older coupons from a couple weeks back, but a lot of people weren't able to find the products when the coupons first came out. So if you still have these coupons, this might be the scenario for you this weekend. So you want to pick up 2 of the Ivory body washes for $2.50. They are $1.25 each. 2 of the Secret deodorants for $3.75. They are $1.85 each. 1 of the Crest toothpaste for $2, 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95, 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50, 1 of the Centrum vitamins for $5, one of the Mucinex for $5.50. Your subtotal will be $26.15. And here are the coupons that you're going to want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here's that list of coupons. So you want to make sure you've got your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Ivory Body Wash, the 2 off 2 Secret Deodorant, 2 off 1 for the Crest Toothpaste, 2 off 1 for the Tide, 3 off 3 for the Pantene, 4 off 1 for the Centrum Vitamins, and 5 off 1 for the Mucinex. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $1.15 for 11 items, or just 10 cents each. So that is a really awesome deal, you guys. Just keep in mind that a lot of the glitches that we had going on a couple weeks back are still going on this week. Just because you missed it that week doesn't mean you can't try to find it this week and it will work. Like those Jif to go cups, I know everyone was having a hard time finding those. I still haven't found those, but that coupon hasn't expired yet and it's still working. I'm still seeing people post that they're still getting those for free. So just keep your eye out. Go back a couple of videos. I always have a glitch list video every week, so definitely go back and check out those videos, maybe to refresh your memory and go through your coupons, see what you still have available. And one more quick reminder, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app. If you're not already signed up, you definitely need to go and download the app right now, because Fetch Rewards is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt and you'll start earning points on the products that you're already buying. Then you can turn those points into gift cards and it'll make your final cost even lower. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen as well as in the description box below. And if you use it, you will get a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And a lot of the items that I've included in these scenarios do fall under the Fetch Rewards program. So you'll earn points on products like the Scott and the Cottonelle. So that'll make your deals even better. And just in case you guys need a few more ideas for your 5 off 25 deals, I am going to put a pinned comment down below with a link to my good deals and glitch video from earlier in the week. Alright guys, that's it for me for now, but I will be uploading another video here shortly with my Christmas clearance haul. I can't wait to share with you guys what all I found and how much I ended up paying. So be on the lookout for that. And as I always say, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and take a second and hit that button and make sure you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any videos or posts that I make. If you found this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help out my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And take a second and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.